Getting ready to go through the car wash. Eli's excited. Ethan's not too excited.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared? Awesome. I know, because that's soap. It's okay, it's just water. None of it's going to get in here. It's okay, Ethan. It's okay.
This is fun.
Look, they're going to wash. It's okay, buddy. They're just the rollers. See? It's okay. You want to get out? Okay, we're almost done. See, now they're rinsing all the soap off. That was what?